Discover the world of smart rings, cutting-edge wearables that seamlessly combine technology and style. These compact devices offer a range of features, from fitness tracking and health monitoring to mobile notifications and contactless payments. As health consciousness rises, smart rings have emerged as a practical solution for those seeking convenience and innovation on the go. In this video, we'll explore the best smart rings available today, highlighting their unique functionalities and benefits, ensuring you find the perfect match for your lifestyle. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Amazfit Helio Ring. Our pick for best budget smart ring. If you're on the lookout for a smart ring primarily focused on sleep tracking, the Amazfit Helio ring is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. With its stylish finish and thoughtful design, it stands out among other options on the market, making it a fashionable addition to your nightly routine. Comfort is key, and the Helio ring excels in this area, ensuring it feels great while you sleep. During our testing, its sleep tracking capabilities impressed us, providing comprehensive insights into your sleep stages, duration, and more through easily digestible charts. You'll also appreciate the additional metrics it offers, such as your breathing patterns, temperature, and heart rate, combined to generate a morning readiness score that helps you start the day right. While it may not be perfect, offering limited sizing and color options, and a shorter battery life than some pricier alternatives, its affordability makes it a standout for anyone seeking reliable sleep monitoring. With features like premium sleep assessment, stress management via EDA sensors, and enhanced health analytics, the Amazfit Helio ring is a wonderful companion for your wellness journey. Embrace better sleep and wellness insights with this smart ring. Number 4. RingConn Gen 2, our pick for best smart ring for battery life. Introducing the RingConn Gen 2, a standout choice that balances exceptional quality with innovative features. While our budget-friendly option is the Gen 2 Air, we highly recommend the Gen 2 for its remarkable battery life, an industry-leading duration of up to 12 days. No other smart ring comes close to this impressive longevity. Weighing just 3 grams, the Gen 2 is designed to be sleek and comfortable, even slimmer and narrower than its predecessor. Crafted from a durable titanium alloy, this smart ring is available in 3 stylish colors to suit your personal taste. One of the standout features is its new sleep apnea tracking capability, providing you with valuable insights into your health. The RingConn Gen 2 offers easy-to-understand scores for various metrics, including sleep, stress, vital signs, and more. Plus, you'll appreciate the tailored recommendations based on your activity and stress levels. While fitness tracking may be a bit more limited, the in-depth sleep stats and fantastic battery life make the Gen 2 an excellent upgrade over the original. Keep in mind, though, that it's priced a bit higher, which is why the first-generation RingConn remains our top pick for budget-conscious shoppers. Discover the perfect balance of advanced technology and everyday usability with the RingConn Gen 2. Still looking for the perfect smart rings to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air, our pick for best smart ring without a subscription. Introducing the ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air, a sleek, lightweight smart ring designed to enhance your wellness journey without the hassle of a subscription. This innovative device is packed with advanced sensors, offering features like an infrared photoplethysmography, PPG sensor, a medical-grade skin temperature sensor, a 6-axis motion sensor, and colored LEDs to monitor heart rate and blood oxygen levels. What sets the ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air apart is its commitment to helping you understand your body better. It accurately tracks your activity, heart rate variability, and sleep patterns, giving you insights into your overall health. While its sleep tracking is reliable, and the basic activity metrics are solid, the workout tracking could use some improvement. You'll need to manually log your workouts, and the heart rate monitoring may not always be spot on during exercise. The accompanying app provides helpful tips to optimize your daily routine, like suggesting a morning sun exposure to boost your mood. It may not be as polished as some competitors, but the app is evolving. Additionally, you can enjoy the benefits of the ULTRAHUMAN Ring Air for a one-time cost, making it a practical choice. Plus, Features like the smart alarm ensure you wake up during light sleep, starting your day refreshed. Your health journey just became a little smarter and more convenient. Number 2, Samsung Galaxy Ring, our pick for best smart ring for Samsung phone users. Samsung has once again impressed us with its innovative technology, this time with the all-new Galaxy Ring, its first smart ring. With a sleek, concave design, it combines style with functionality, making it a fashionable accessory for your daily life. The Galaxy Ring is equipped to measure various aspects of your health and activity, including stress levels when you're awake, along with tracking your sleep, blood oxygen, heart rate, movement, and respiration at night. Unique to this smart ring, if you pair it with a Samsung phone, it even tracks your snoring, something no other brands offer. For Samsung users, this ring is a game changer. While it's compatible with most Android devices, its advanced features, such as snore tracking and personalized AI health assessments, are designed particularly for those with Samsung phones. The Galaxy Ring works seamlessly alongside the Galaxy Watch 7, providing a detailed view of your health while maximizing battery efficiency, boasting an impressive 6.5 days on a single charge. With the Galaxy Ring, you can gain deeper insights into your well-being, whether you're in a meeting, practicing yoga, or enjoying dinner with loved ones. Enhanced by Galaxy AI, it offers valuable features like the energy score, helping you understand how ready you are to tackle each day. Elevate your wellness journey in style with the Galaxy Ring, your perfect companion for a vibrant lifestyle. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Oura Ring 4, our pick for best smart ring overall. If you're looking for a smart ring that excels in accuracy, features, and user experience, look no further than the Oura Ring 4. Its sleek and comfortable design makes it a joy to wear while effectively tracking your activity, sleep, and stress levels. The Oura app organizes all the data seamlessly, offering insightful activity, readiness, and sleep scores along with practical tips to help enhance your wellness journey. With redesigned sensors in the Oura Ring 4, accuracy is maintained, ensuring that even as the ring rotates on your finger, you don't miss a beat in your data collection. Since the launch of the Oura Ring 3, the brand has consistently added valuable features like period predictions and pregnancy insights. It also offers metrics that assess cardio capacity, cardiovascular age, and stress resilience, empowering users to take charge of their health. With the ability to track 40 different types of exercise and a battery life of over 7 days on a single charge, the Oura Ring 4 has you covered. No matter if you're an Android or iOS user, this smart ring is an exceptional choice for sleep and health tracking. The Oura app allows you to easily monitor both your recent and long-term health trends, providing you with fascinating insights that can help improve your sleep and manage stress. With the Oura Ring 4, step into a healthier, more informed lifestyle. So, that wraps up our list of the best smart rings. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which smart rings you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.